Hey guys, and welcome back to my kitchen. Now today I wanted to share with you a really simple recipe, and I think you'll find that a lot of the recipes that I have on this channel and on my website, they're really simple because eating healthy shouldn't be difficult. You don't really need to know a lot of culinary skills to be able to cook healthy, and I just want to make things really easy for you to eat healthy at home and for your gut health, because our gut orchestrates our entire well-being, and eating for good gut health is so important to be able to live your life, you know, enjoy every moment without having horrible symptoms or issues, and that's what I really want for you. So this recipe is it's coconut flour flatbread. I didn't really know what else to call it because that's all it is. It's just like a pseudo bread. Now, a lot of people, when they go gluten-free, they find it really difficult to replace bread because, I mean, it's delicious, but it's also not that good for you. So a lot of people have toast in the morning, or they want something really easy to grab and go. Now, this recipe, you can make a big batch of it, you can put it in the fridge, you can put it in the freezer, or you can just make it when you need it. Now, coconut flour is really good to use as a gluten-free flour. It's very low allergen, so a lot of people that have gut issues do really well with coconut flour. Now, coconut flour also goes a really long way because you only need a little bit, it expands quite a lot. So most recipes that you see using coconut flour will only have maybe a tablespoon or a couple of tablespoons worth of flour, compared to, say, a normal all-purpose white flour, you might need a whole cup. So although it is a little bit pricey, a little goes a very long way. Now, this recipe I made because I was trying to find a really good healthy bread recipe. And what I used to really enjoy when I was eating gluten was to have eggs and avocado on toast. So what I've done here is made a savory bread style pancake flatbread thing, which is delicious. It's easy to whip up, and I really hope you do give it a go so you can enjoy a gluten-free breakfast. So let's start with our coconut flour. We want 1 tablespoon of coconut flour, 1 tablespoon of arrowroot flour, 1 egg, and then we need a couple of tablespoons of plant-based milk. I'm using coconut milk, and I found 3 tablespoons is perfect. Now we want to give that a really good whisk, and then let that sit for at least a minute, because what will happen is the coconut flour will expand a little bit. It'll take in some of that liquid. So you want to season this. Now you can also use some herbs or spices if you like to give this a little bit more flavour. Now we need to fry them in a fry pan. Now this will take at least 2 minutes per side, and you want it on a really low to medium heat so it cooks nice and evenly without burning, similar to a pancake. And what I've done here is I also like to add a little sprinkle of sesame seeds. It just adds a nice flavour. So exactly the same as a pancake, you want to cook it each side and then you're done. Now this recipe will give you 4 really decent size flatbreads, and then you can enjoy with some avocado or with some eggs or however you please. If you did like this video, please give us a thumbs up. It really does help the channel. And also subscribe if you want more videos and more healthy recipes like this one.